Here is how to create a digest in Zapier, step by step. Start by signing in to Zapier and opening the workflow where you want the digest to run. If you are starting from scratch, create a new Zap instead. Before adding the digest, make sure your trigger step is already set up for the workflow you want to use. That trigger is what sends information into the digest, so it needs to be in place first. Once the trigger is ready, click the plus button to add another step. In the app search field, type Digest by Zapier, then select it from the results as your action app. This adds the built-in digest tool to the Zap so it can collect entries over time instead of sending each one out on its own. After selecting the app, choose the action event called append entry and schedule digest. Then click Continue. This event does two things in one step. It adds a new item to the digest, and it sets the digest up to be released on the schedule you choose next. Now configure the digest itself. In the title field, enter the name you want this digest to use. This title helps Zapier identify which group of collected entries belongs together. In the entry field, add the content that should be stored each time the Zap runs. You can type fixed text here, or map data from an earlier step if the entry should include information from your trigger. Make sure the entry contains the content you actually want collected, since each run will append another item to the same digest. Next, open the frequency field and choose when the digest should be released. Zapier gives you options such as hourly, daily, weekly, or manual. Pick the schedule that matches how often you want the collected entries sent out or made available. If you choose one of the timed options, Zapier will release the digest automatically on that schedule. If you choose manual, the entries will continue collecting until you add a separate release action. With the setup in place, click Test to verify the digest step. Zapier will try to append a sample entry to the digest. Wait for the test result, then confirm that the entry was added successfully before moving on. If the test does not look right, check the title, entry content, and selected frequency. If you selected manual as the release frequency, add one more action step. Choose Digest by Zapier again, then select the event called Release Existing Digest. This step is what tells Zapier to release the entries you have been collecting in that named digest. Finally, review the workflow from top to bottom, then click Publish. Once the Zap is published, it will begin collecting entries into the digest and releasing them according to the frequency you selected. Your Zapier digest is now set up to collect entries and release them on your chosen schedule.